Soko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Rwandonsi asore haso ubotuko bwabono na gukwanire nabo igo no kugenda kwane buna mbiyore ku Rwandonsi asore nabo igo kwegokire nemero berionsi kurubwa kite chinsa 12 cheke mambi goikera bono igana inde ngo kwarigania erio ikaranse oyanyora amaya yensa eyemo ya bono botuko chingaki ukubwatia amaya yensoko TV chinsa chingabone chiga gweterase omutanda o Facebook nabo igo asensemeria ya YouTube ensoko TV erietariane Ishmael Mogere. Omuchakano bwamaya asobotko bwabono egetabo gia agenda ime county ya Nyamira gekobwatira nekiombe getari gya serikali gya International Solidarity Foundation nigo gya semire ebitabo bikorwa obokorari igoro yamangana abwatikene nechi segi chegenka elio gokeya omuroberi oyo osogokei segi chegenka bago kwanira amaoncherero ime county ya Nyamira nigo kia kwanire amangana yo abwatikene na nechisegi chegenka asebirengo chingaki ansemeria ya North Mugrango etangaine asamangana abwatikene nechisegi chegenka asebirengo byemerongo 5 nomo na isano.
Egetabo ya chinsiase kaunti ya Nyamira nze yo waziri Haris Manoti ni gaseri tukoria rero kubwatsana nekiombe getari ya serikali ya International Solidarity Foundation watwarege karokyo basomya babwatani anemono korwa chi sector chiriya chikonyara kumurekera amangana yo kurigera ya chisegine chiburaburu chegenka kwene kingango kyana nibare amangana yo kubura asinjira yeke nyandanzo butroma
Asamarieta Njere Chokongo, County Director, Gender and Social Services, Nyamira County, as a department ya Gender, Youth, Sports, Culture and Social Services. Asirit Koriarero, itariki 30 cy'umutenyuki anda mwaka 2025. Nigo twabwate omoroberi obogo kwanira abo bisabaria bakwandura mangana gender based violence yani chiburuburu ao ase tokobwaterana nekeombekia Muungano Gender Forum, ISF, International Solidarity Foundation, ne Department ya Gender, Youth, Sports, Culture and Social Services, ase serikali ya Nyamira. Litukoria rero nigo twarenge gukwanira gukwanira abo bisabaria bakwandro amangana yechibura buru richiabeire ase chi station ao kuna police station Nyagetari Gender Department usechi kanisa ao
ndege tangani kabisa tote una trauma informed care trauma nekero umuntu akoboyiru gosa akirwe ngendo kyabwane to korege tangani kegima twatebi ubuna ekaro ryo umuntu wakirwe wiko bwerengereria ibyo komonyene litangani utarachi kokonyo umuntu oria wakirwe na bwate chimba
and no na ibyo komonyene goikabwe jari while you are helping others emotionally, psychologically, mentally, kiagera naende goika we enambe ntangani gose the first priority.
None karo umuntu asiriwe enjere ritokwanda twasoma ebifunge binge bibungo biri mbiri komokoni. In fact yeke bungo rakwana nekemo harafu ogefafanwe after which abantu abekera bawenire omanye gote kubairanira ngora
bagokwana somo buganio yo muhime yo mucyo Nyamira nigo abagwakirisha abo bene banyareko bakwerana ubuyambororo wokwene kina gusi nkorigereri were cinjera cindonge cyo konyara gokyanania ne cinjera cyo goseme igoro yo kubora
Rough reach and best violence na watorande 65% twa reduce yake lakini tari mono muna bono Nyamira North netangaine asensema ye chibura buru gose gender based violence na hende to kotema kotebia abantu ba mintunga ekero muna bono mwana omoiseke atibongirwe tagosibia omwana oria moire bunare igari nyagetari arapimwa arachekiwa amanyeko akora na matibabu mwende police mumanya gocha kona gotebia abantu bande takora amenyoka gochia ndonsi
nari kubatebina nonye no monte ekera asiriri uyo mwabo omwana ekera nyorira obokongu uyo mwabo asirire ngitobonete komokorera toiko omwana oriange tomokwanere
nigo bono kobomo banyare ko bakweranga nere buya chinjira chindonge chirigigwe cyo kwenekyanga obuya mbororo bwo kwenekyo gosirana se bitabene erio kwenekyana konyara ko babale bagosuka bosio kobomo
emi muna ekero omonto ebura buru yabeire ao karaminyoka nyagetari
yo ekaroririe ayebwie komonyene ori traumatized gose naye kwararekanire kwa koboirwe igotobwenete kubaikange naye bwie charie
Steven Nyarike Mbonde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira
gotigana nayo amate ya mukuru kenyoro kiabutira ebunge yabo machoge chache nigo yasabire obwene bwo mwana obo asirieta Violet Nyabicha oyo konyora okuriro mutinyi oyo mubuka kurwasoa ase University ya Rongo oyibono ukagaire kwerusia obomoyo ase okonywe sumu ase etamanyiri buya ekikererete nyagusira koimukige tambokero kenga bunekyo
ekero naruranga tari gotwakerio ngamubambori omonu ngasigi amate ngatiokerera gocha chimioro inyugo mwana one ngotiokarerio mwana one tari gotiokerio
mutinyi no yo mobono kurwa omorokiwa Violet Nyabicha arua senka yabo asebono abibori amone amatiae yago getkonyora oburabwa senka yabo maiga yo mwana obo gosoa ase University ya Rongo iliache kobakonya aya onsi tachitigo ikirana maiga ya amate konyora oroboti gorego sira ko mwana obo asekerie gotebekana buna nigo anywete esumu nigo twakoresa baria itogoika enka yabo mwana Violet gotoka ekinyoro kiabotire bunge ya machoge chache county ya Kisii ase amatiae yatetebia yaiga
ngo iwe simie kobu ngomatebe gontaburo ngomatenge ngamusukuma ngamatenge ali simie igocha akange ngaburi ngobono kunga kere simbono botukekera bogondo libwanyali ngabwa akambo ngabora aro agante ni mama Violet ngamatebe ni mama Violet ni nani agante ni mama Masi ngambori mama Masi ningi ngaira neke busina indi mama Masi ningi agante bya yo mwana oyo garwara na mwire nyagitari lakini mambi bwajerero che mambi torole na kitoko kora ngamubori omwana onega lakini evita mbiale ngikurumambi kurumuga saa 11 ngarute simise ngambori omwana onega kwa ekana na chakire konyegari ubona oyo ko imoko goikaransa bole agontebi esimiele ko butoka esimie ngai gacha nere gante byaro ngamatebi ngateba wani mama Violet ngamatebi Violet gacha tabatwa mwende banzi okure tombekire moja ngachaka gukura rio
na bakure tunende tukamyoka gochaga tukanyorega tukamyoka mpaka bwaso umwana ale university yakana watu wanyote no sirire tuanyote no sirire na bana be school ba twerese terende na yarenge gocha buna cha gete buna nyote liogeri buna soweta kalisia raisiko ne bese na ndo kuira na nyumba wana tukamubwa karara wakanyubono no ya mwenge
eamateye eyatemete komanya gosenekene omwana obaniganywe sumu korende tibanyora machibuma ya aibono bachitekonyora ekere omobero nyagosira obaretwe
echira ni sabu gatenge rioga nyungerire ne sabu mata kana ngamurekerio karigere karigegete karinyaganyagari garende ndore gosendi bwa tamaruki kanyorire muna maje ndibwa timaruki tugaiko mwana ange gete tangani twa mukonete twanyota kendete ebigoti biomire magora akokeni omobero mogima alafu nchomo nyene ni soeta paka ankamoikanga nkamutiokera tari gotioka rio nkamubambulio muno tari gotioka rio ngata magonjo gumonjo no mwere ngase naragire hasta yake tukarota kabolie wajimani ngakibono mwana yaika mwana ugaretwa lakini ekere ngumurigeri muna ise gwajimani mwana uyu yogeri moko mwatoire ngana nywete ryogo ryogo tari mwana unywete ryogo enjera nenga kwete agatuburi mwana ngo kware ndume komate yaya nabwato buri wesu kali ngayaya agateba njeni mango kora nanje narori yake konekere mu bwature ryogo mwana tanywete ryogo ekera nywete ryogo kanga ryogo nyakora kunya gosoka rire kuri mundu
tukumnyoka mpaka ne gitari ngo chigotyoka ru mwana ryogo yari gotyoka kuri nyumba mwana uyu ryogo ndiri gotyoka umwana one chiko monjoro mwana one tigangonjoke mbabeka chimioro bakase umubera kabisa maino ime tiganyugo mwana one gotyoka ryogo mwana one tari gotyoka ryogo ekero naranga tari gotyoka ryogo ngamubambori umonu ngasigikia mate ngatyokerera gocha chimioro inyugo mwana one gotyoka ryogo mwana
gotigana nayo chinga kyo muroberio bwoko barikia abakichikura imeyense oswari tukoria kabere rero nigenda mbene ne yabasaye yarorekanire gwesokia kwerikia buna abakichikura asebitwo ime yechibunge ayarorekane koba umubaromo kemono umwemsiye we ward ya Marani Dennis Ombachi na Thomas Obare kurwe ward ya Basiboitangare nigo basabira abasaye gwesokia sobonge na kwerikia buna abakichikura eriyo kweneke buna kubakira bare ekura abarayi barabakonye chinga kitura chigutwara obochori obonene bwo mwaka w'echilifu 2022.
Ms. Obare Thomas, MCA for Bobasi Boitangare in Bobasi constituency, Kisii County. I want to appreciate the work that is being done by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. They started the voter registration, continuous voter registration exercise yesterday. But I want to speak to the young people who have had serious issues on governance, that from what we've seen, from the figures we are seeing from the registration centers at the constituency level, there's a very low turnout of voters, young voters to be registered. I want to ask the young people who believe that they have a place to or a role to change our country, that they should come out in large numbers and register themselves so that they can be able to vote in 2027. There have been questions on whether the young vote will change the political dimensions of this country. I believe that the young people have a voice. Looking on what is happening through the internet, through TikTok, through Facebook, through WhatsApp, the young people of this country have resolved that they have to change the governance of the country. But they can only do that if they register as voters. That is why I take this opportunity to ask all young people in this country to come out in large numbers and register as voters so that we can be able to change our country.
First of all, I want to thank IEBC for the reconstitution, and now the new chairman is up and running. So I want to take this opportunity to urge all people who have not taken votes to go and register, because it's through the registration that you can determine the leadership you want or you don't want. And a lot of noise that we hear can only be determined if we take votes to go and vote.
Gusuka mutwe magega yeriberera ria gisiasa kugendera koenekiwe imeyense ya Kenya chinga kia barai bakwamiriria serikali bakoragwa n'umurai w'ikiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua kumutiga isiko ase kiombe usaserombe yabo musike daktari Fred Matiang'i abo asega tia barai batebiro musike Matiang'i na Gachagua n'eki project cy'umurai wenso musike daktari William Samuel Ruto nigegati yabamenye kuri asomuche obosongo besokirie na kwamiriria enganeye na gateba muna Matiang'i nigo aitenenerete tali project y'umurai wense asebono barireira yogucha kumusira erio achichekora omwaka w'echilifu 2022.
Gachagua thako project ya Ruto asengenjo na muruseti asobogambi na kuruga abo njera teyo Gachagua arabamba na Ruto kwanza banda batoiso kubwati none karato kubwati side ene totenga banda abara banairot Gachagua igaro mopantu togo kubwati banda mbako bam asense moya nete konyarekana Matiang'i nabwate right yoko endase Uhuru because Uhuru omonyene nero mokine dikisiasa te konyarekana Matiang'i abe te konyarekana Matiang'i project ya Uhuru ekara twarigeretio Uhuru oborai bwayo bwarengo buya ekara korwa bwayo bwayo buya ona yaikire ngaki Matiang'i abwaneta ko omogambi oyo amaseseni aya igakorwa ase omogambi omokoro yokorokwa
ye president ya William Ruto nga yakoruzi chibesa agwetana na Kenya ngima naende igaruete a poor family. Gachagua should come clean as aruse tichivesa chiae. Gachagua tanya kwa taraba politics for many years go say in government. Ekerarengo mo DC gavute tuegasi. Igo tabuati besa chinde chionsi, usitabuati kende gionsi ara oro kiomo Kenya, buna na nyare bwetenenere bweka kisiasa aborio bo president bwensei.
Matiang'i okoreira ba Kenya egasibuya aba Matiang'i omanyikanire Kenya ngima igoro yobokori bwa yegasi ntuo murai tomanyete omurai Matiang'i nero goba president ase Kenya na muntu tayo orati kumurusi ororo ebisaku byonsi bya mwanchire.
Matiang'i nyendiria jagete mapema tware ko mapema lakini Matiang'i oragambire so obo CS na ndo tokonyire ntwe otorokereirie njira tware gokora buno abagusi lakini ase Kenya ngima ne miaka yonsi Kenya yeiteye gochakere tochakere Kenyatta muntu narugambire miaka 5 gaki aya no muntu ikaransire nanda bakabate iboronge gaseke Swahili inga onye kinkobaita kinde isiko kone kerene nyumba nali mura matego cha kongoyi ali murangi yore kwano nali abaligerere chako batabinukanya kwako mupira mo gwakira amagoro afungire okoboko kwani gatoko na gwaka chikura to gwake Matiang'i is my brother ni mwanjete iko bono buna Gachagua ere tikabe project timbi yale lakini na acha meru ngota kobali swallowed.
Mancho murigelia ine gatie birengelio ni bya manyakuru asomucho yobosungu hanamona kubwatikana nengane ko yendra gukoneka yage siasa na omuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni gare project umraibwenso muskuri amruto nanyana babangi ni banya ko bagutukuterare chingume cyasubona batebire nigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i atabi project umraibwense naigo nigo bono barire ire utsikonekinga bachukunya ko bakumusira asobraibwense umwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 nebere Kroiga asubo gatagatu bo mucyobo songo ko reporter ya Ensoko TV ncheni gongoro ko Pethuel Machin Arenayo abaunchiro limiye county ya Nyamira nigo balira sare nene magaye kiombe giechibara ni chinyumba KNHA gotagura ebibanda birange na bara elio kogariya ebara ya Konate na boigo guchesemo ya Miruka bagukwana bene nigo batebirenga nigo baetwa roboti rugo tagura ebibande ebyo ase engaki ganirie KNHA nigo yagenderere gutagura ebibanda kurwa ikonge gucheso muche ukisibune nchira yuko busebune nchira yemo yokugariya ebara eyo
Nyamira onye ebi kumari mari wana watu abukira bana mabiwanya uri kera gitagiye odena totagore tubwati asitogoti tubwati bana basa gukira nyumba kayibana abakunga baitoga bana kayale simu bagaka jerusa bakonya kiki matera tubwati kana tobera nyumba mjamna tebe kana mabano sinye kayingotia ngota oreja sara se tauni etu abere na sokia nene konyora munizo nya okorwa totaire notes ege donado sabe county government moso ono iga kena yatago ire abantu baito batagore biasara abantu bagwate chironi ne bona simoroje yajete etongola tore na moina mwato kunde ese kare moro de koto mafia ne ropoto maf na ndonyo mwamwire gotagore para otare konye be karende once and for all webe moto tagore goko ira na wabwatire to kukorio boroni boito to kuperwanderera na ndi mwato tagore mama mboga bono igarero no nyumba mo de kutukai
Maria danguru kudifuna mbanyangi mu biashara ku stage twatagura ibintu batwete notsi kironi omubugole tinga twaka ni byombe abawoja batutagura bagenda bono ngo twaka na kironi national government tokonya gaki
Gosco mutwe abarimi bekemerigi chaye nigo basabire gotoerera chinkoro usegotoere chinkoro chiabo nonyene kero banyorete chibonus chinke gukwana n'Ensoko TV nigo Thaddeus Matara oyure mu director ase factory ya Nyankoba abasabire boigo use abasabire abana siasa gutiga koba n'obumanyi libagerio kwenana bari bwatu obumanyi igoro yekemerigi yechaye kora umuroberi oyoiga umugima na boigo gukwanira amangana bwatikene n'echaye asubwagare na boigo kurwa basemi gucyase abaremi bechaye
igo musaba abaremi baitu si bana ba Kenya ngaya amangana echaye tigatunyaire ngora nane ndugoega siasa market yicha umete bantu bamayete all over the world egera one factory X igo buyers bamanyire bamanye mtano nero as management mtano as governance yona na barati ko oleja ya uko ya siasa ngoja to reduce twende shambani na politicians keep off ekikimeleke tu aidina basongo keep off bagonya gukwana mangana mutamanyete iga bantu bali bataalamu bakwane goro yecha kiramba ma think igendere agina mana karo nyo mos umuna siasa ale chiro agale kusina matanga umunya kugwane ndata manyeti itoko soka sana brento bamanyiricha igaba politicians keep off tiga oburai tutwara oburai kuli right kurwase mugondo abalimi mugondo no kunyeburugira no kubika fertilizer no gotora no black as buying center committees abantu balende chayo ya bako nyabando ke factory be process never to the right standards na marketing bakole gasi yabo ichai kona faida na itasaite sisi neto konye lakini mona gara konyo mundala matangi genda kwa
abaremi bebyombe byo bakora imirimo ase sector yobo chenu nigo besokire na komotia serikali chichi county aso gusinywa gwikirani ukwigwana baigwana nete gwetera ese babegete nekiombe kyo gobakana engeria gukwana imiyo mucho Nairobi abarayabo nigo boigo baragire serikali icho kiara ase omugero bw'abanyagitari ogendereire imeye county au anene aseria Kiambu ase bono baruro kuboria onya serikali chichi county chiasinyirwe kura sector yobo chenu bayera ni guchiase serikali enene nigo boigo bago sereirie guchye gokora omugero bw'emirimo onye ekerero kiabo tikeri guchya gotegererwa asamatuko 52 are mutwe.
Ministry has done its bit, and we must thank CS Duale and his PSs, PS Modoni and Oluga, because as far as the UHC, the Global Fund, and the CHAP are concerned, they have met the end of the bargain. Also, as concerns the review of the salaries for health workers as per the SRC circular, that has been done. But the counties have continued to delay this, and especially talking about Kiambu County. You know, as I stand here, myself, I'm lost. I remember some times back in some of the media stations, I have appeared in some of the panel discussions with the governor of Kiambu. And we used to discuss governance matters. And it was very hard on the governors then and how they were treating their workers then. He has even gone ahead to stop all union deductions and continues to threaten the workers that they must come out of the unions if they want to continue working for Kiambu County. Going forward, if these issues are not going to be addressed within the next 7 days, as the caucus, we have made a resolution that we shall be giving a program of joint action that are going to culminate in a joint nationwide strike for all.
Mwanchumo rigereria biyamona Soko chora Ensoko TV uburuso bwo mugusi na boigo asoko tengera maya yensa eyemo ya bono botuko magiga yechi dakika chinga chirabusio ningirane na yande amange asebono tiango turasi omeri chiduka.
Ege Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi Nugaritiko korubwa gachoba nene gusoboke Ovik Hardware ntubwate byonse biryoganetie asobwa gachibwao gucakire by'uboroso wikebye kirama nkoni tole chichuma n'emisumari amabati chisimiti kwane kyuganetie ntubwate nigotoko n'ibintu by'ubuya bwekerengo kiguru aserigo lyora ikerie nigotogotoke nsemo ya tente umucyunyamira asamange twakerisi migwetire namba 0714213424
Asa Maria Tankoro Kwalis Bosibori Iga Noviki Hardware Ego tukariga tente Uko bari kani mwensi Asa Magoria Rings
Inyagitani rubutamero chinga kichoboroere Kolende talikire nyagitani erabo butamero asogoko bokali ubiya bwekerengo kiguru utatiga Akasims Hospital nigo tubwata abanyagitari bomanyi boisaine bakurwali amarwire ao asokolenga nechi machine ichekerero obokole bwito n'ubw'kinsemero ngebere nainye nkubara tole nkwakatura x-ray nkugwani tura maiso amaino amauga n'amagongo ngokonya turabangina kuibura na kuroberi uruiboro ngokora tole ultrasound ntubwate ICU HDU NICU ntubwate pediatric services ntubwate gynecologist ngokora tole physiotherapy na pharmacy ito nigechire amariogo ngutumia tole insurance au buna sha AON Britam naboigo Trident nigo togotoke nsemo ya magina toligirenetie negite seni kyabanyanyimbo kya magina asamange akesimi 0707289342 kose tome email kasimshospital@gmail.com
Urwase abanyagitari baito bare qualified karibuni
Kasims Hospital we treat God heals Nguliole bintu byekerero bunesimi laptop esapufa TV fridge nabwege bintu binde byestima tago chandeka Soki Electronics no tule iga asinjao nkoni tule bintu uchakire byenyumba ebye salon nonya ne bintu byobesi aseriguri uraikerie nigo tugutukanye umucyunyamira no bokole bwito no bwokobokera twakirisi myese namba 0702669403
Eye Soki Electronics ibyo umucyunyamira mwesi mwariganyiwe
Nuganiti skuru asomwana warakora ibya asamasomo n'ekigosori tegerera bono St George's Nyamira Academy nere skuru yawo emerulito nige kugenda namaganyo a CBE nguruturo sombi uburaro nabwigo n'ekilaboratori n'ebirasi bito n'ebyekerero nigo tugutuka Nyamira County
Anje Dr. Stanislaus Nisati Inje Director ya St. George's Nyamira Academy saba ibulinko bakaramya mwana asaba no muko no turetera ande ko basaba mo byandira turetera abana kyagare skuru ye buyere tubate laboratory tubate computer sciences library full good library na environment ya skuru baga na berengia asaba no baito bagoso
Asamange twakirishimye namba 0722734583 St. George's Nyamira Academy strive to succeed. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu na inde tugendere kwemenya amaya yenseyemo ya borobotko asenchira yobwagare ekiombe gyo kurwanirira usekiombe gyo kurwanirira obwene bwa mwanya bantu gya Kenya National Commission on Human Rights niyo gya chakirie richiko elio rigukwanira obokongwa abantu bakurwanira obwene bwa mwanya bantu bagwetira kukwana imiyomu chu Nairobi ekiombe ekyo nigo gya tebire marange chamate cha abayigereri abwo bamwanya bantu nigo chiko enyora ase akongu asaboyiga basobati bari bakwegerera obwene bwamwanya bantu bakonererwa nako bakwa marieta yechingencho au
freedom of opinion and expression, looking at some of those bottlenecks and obstacles that have been placed before the human rights defenders, and how do we deal with them. Freedom of association and assembly, there are times when they have been denied registration, for instance. So how do we deal with such? Their participation in public affairs without any discrimination. And again, we noted even in the counties, some county governments, when they know that you are a human rights defender and you have come to raise some issues as a Kenyan citizen in that particular county, there is a negative connotation given to those human rights defenders. And sometimes they are even denied, access to such kind of public participation. And of course, liberty and security of the person is very key. And as you saw from the report, the number that were killed, HRDs killed over this period, there were 8 of them. So why should we lose lives of people who are raising issues? HRDs on land matters, which are very sensitive in this country, and ignore it. They bear the brunt of the reactions from various duty bearers. And so we lost 8 HRDs during the reporting period of 2020 to 2022, which shouldn't have actually happened, and that compromises the right to life as well. We needed to establish a framework where the sharing of data, very confidential data, would be guaranteed, so that if civil society organizations have collected data, very sensitive data, how do we ensure that is protected beyond the law that we already have in place? So those are some of the frameworks that needed to be put in place so that then the multi-agency institutions could share that very confidential information without compromising the security of the individuals that are mentioned, for example, in the...
Serikali ya Kenya insi oburai bwa Daktari William Samuel Ruto nigo egendere gutinya obokoreri ase chisemi gukwara chinga kekera nase university ya Uma nigo aerera makongu university chiabere chigo etera nabo igobune serikali ya chisirire ase ogwakana chibesa cheri kabeso nabo igo ogwakanira aborokiwe nibo ase university chiabantu nyene.
Kenya has made enormous strides in expanding access to higher education. Today, our country boasts 80 chartered universities, 30 of which are privately owned, and one of them being this great Uma University. Nearly 150,000 students are enrolled in private universities, representing about 23% of the entire university population. This underlines the critical role that private universities continue to play in complementing government efforts in education. Over the past 3 years, we have been compelled to undertake bold and far-reaching reforms to safeguard the sustainability of our universities and higher education in general. Not long ago, the subsector was in a serious crisis, with 23 out of the 40 public universities sinking into technical insolvency, threatening not only their stability, but also the future of thousands of students. We had a system that I had to take the decision to stop, of sending students to private universities when we didn't have the money to pay for them. And we accumulated debts in our public and private universities to the tune of 120 billion. Just imagine. And it sunk many universities.
Arenayo mawaziri wa wachenu Aden Duale nigaerere meroberio serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ya bekire irigotinia obokoreri ya sekta yobochenu gukwana nigaene kibuna gesa oguchaki wa kumuroberio osha nigo umubaro w'abantu kinire abuo banyorero obokoreri asinyagitari au imenseto ya Kenya nonyana nigo aerera ubuya bwasha korenganiwa no muroberio ori omukoro o NHIF.
Today, in 9 months since SHA was formed, Your Excellency, 17.5 million Kenyans visited health facilities. Over 10,000 health facilities. Of these 17.5, 12.5 million Kenyans accessed free primary care paid by the government of Kenya. They went to dispensaries, they went to health centers, they went to sub-county hospitals as outpatients, they went home without paying a coin. I don't know whether that is transformative or that is reducing the gains somebody else has made. Your Excellency, the other 5 million went through Social Health Insurance Fund by accessing specialized care in our level 4, level 5, and level 6. In 9 months, under SHA, we mobilized 70 billion Kenya shillings. 3 times or 4 times what NHIF could mobilize in many years.
Omo chinga kichwego nigo omugabara we county ya Kajiado Joseph Olelenko airire gusairo koboko serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kubwatikana no muroberio wobwagachi we chinyomba cherigo rirense gukwana nigaene kebuna muroberio iyo uikiranire asabange bakonyekire gukora obonchereria nonyana bo nigo airanire mbyamono guchiase umurayi bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asokoreta umuroberio onga buno yo.
Our markets, 15 of them are coming to fruition. Our affordable housing are at an advanced stage. And we are soon going to have our people do their trading in urban centers in decent spaces, as opposed to where before people would go to those markets with gumboots. We want to thank you, Mr. President, for that transformation agenda. We support the agenda. We are proud as Kenyans to see the most vulnerable members of our society receiving your support through the affordable housing program, Mr. President.
Gwikira bu mwanchu morigeli no tugwikira omwerio bwa maya yenseyemo ya bono butko gendera gotengera nsoko TV oburuso bu mugusichi koraga isato boigo ningirane na yande amange tuska kurwase TV yago kwa niaba ya baritu abwatarana kwene kya mariugine chibichango wikirare ngamo na Felista Kabedi, Director Zack amo na Brian Achaka erietariane Ishmael Mogere.